Hi everyone. I have other paintings to show you. So let's start with the biggest one. I think this one is gonna be gorgeous. So this one is a 30 by 30. I'm gonna show you the picture. Isn't this beautiful? It has not many colors, but I don't know if you can. No, you cannot really see it, but you can kind of see it. But the canvas looks really clear. I don't know how many colors. Oh, 20 colors. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, let's take a look at the drills. So it doesn't come with an inventory sheet, but they come into little bags. And it's the rounds. So let's take a look at the drills. You can kind of see it. And it's a square one inside. So a lot of gray, blue, browns. I don't know where the blue goes, but maybe for his eyes. So a lot of different browns, as you can see. Here are other browns, and the DMC codes are on the back too. So that's black. We all know the black. That's a beautiful color. I think it's 154. So yeah, a lot of grays, as you can see, and even a lot of different shades of purple. Yeah, the blue is for his eyes. So 30 by 30 and 20 colors. I don't know which store I got this from. I forgot. So all the paintings that I'm going to show you are from AliExpress. Then we have this one. I don't know if you will be able to see it. Oh yeah. So let's open the canvas so you can see the beautiful tiger. Look at that. Oh, isn't he gorgeous? It's like he's already finished, right? No, it's beautiful. This one is going to be gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So this is a 30 by 32. This one comes with an inventory sheet, and this one is a square. Now we're going to take the bags out of it because I have all this trouble putting back in. But basically it's a lot of gray, brown, green for his eyes, maybe a little bit of no, not, I wanted to say pink for his nose, but it's brown. So basically it's all gray, maybe green a little bit for the background. But this one has '23 colors. So it's also a 30 by 30, a square. And I got this from from that store. I don't know how to say it, so it's a really strange name. So okay. I'm gonna pull out the bags because I don't use them. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you how clear the canvas looks. So here you go. It looks really clear. Alright, next one. So these are from I got this from one buyer from the Hiba store on AliExpress. So they are 6 different pictures, but I already made 2 of them, but I'm going to show you them too. So I got so I'm gonna first show you the canvases, and then I'm going to basically show you the colors, because they are all the same colors. So I've got the little kitty, the tiger, no, not the tiger, the lion. This one is a tiger. And I got this one. So I'm going to show you the one that I finished already. I don't know if you can really see it on camera because of the shininess, but I got this one, and I just finished this one yesterday. I just had to do the background, but it's one color, so yeah, it went really quick. Well, I can speak today. Quick. I got the cat hair. So this one I already finished. So I got 4 more in that side, but basically it's all dark colors, as you can see. It's all blacks and grays. So they are all no. Yeah, 7 colors they have, and one has the little kitty. It has 6, but basically they are all black and gray. So I'm not going to pull them all out. Here's this one. It had a little bit of dark blue. I think this one is for the kitty. I can't remember. No, it's not for the kitty. It's for the tiger. So the tiger has a little bit of dark blue in it, but basically the rest is all the same colors. So I'm not going to pull them out. But what I'll do with this one, I'll make them all, and I'm putting them all in one frame. So I'm going to pull put 2 and then 3 on the like that, 3 like that, and then 2 besides each other, because they are all in the same set. No, series. I'm sorry, I cannot speak today. I don't know why, but excuse me. So that's what I'll do with them. Do I have another one to show you? No, I don't think so. So I'm looking forward to make this one. All these are really quick, by the way. They are only 25 by 25, as you can see. So these are really quick, and they have only 7 colors. So what I do is with a big one, I'll do a section at a time, but with small paintings like this, I do actually 1 color at a time. So that's how I do it. I don't know how, but the background is always the last thing that I do. This one doesn't have a lot of 7 is the background. It has not many background shots. If you look at this one, it has a lot of background. So I think, yeah, but they are quick because I do one color at a time. There are only 7 colors, 6 to 7 colors, so yeah, it's going to be quick. So this is it for this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.